Did you know crows are some of the smartest animals on the planet? Crows can use tools to solve complex problems. They've been seen using sticks to fetch insects and even creating hooks to pull food out of hard-to-reach places. They can also recognize human faces and remember them for years. This helps them identify friend or foe. Crows have incredible social intelligence too. They play games, solve puzzles together, and even hold funerals for their dead. So next time you see a crow, remember you're looking at one of nature's brightest minds.